and all present here, honorable members of jury, worthy teachers, and my fellow friends. Today, I stand before you to discuss a timeless proverb that holds invaluable wisdom. A stitch in time saves nine. This simple yet profound saying encapsulates the importance of taking timely action to prevent bigger problems in the future. To begin, let me shed light on the essence of this proverb to a quote by Benjamin Franklin, who said, "An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure." This resonates deeply with the concept of addressing issues promptly before they escalate into larger and more complex problems. Imagine you have a small tear in your favorite shirt. If you ignore it, that small tear can quickly grow into a large hole, requiring more effort and resources to mend. However, if you stitch it up as soon as you notice it, you save yourself the trouble of dealing with a much bigger repair later on. Dear audience, your time is limited, so don't waste it. Change your 24 hours and you will change your life. We must use time as a tool, not as a couch. By taking timely action and addressing issue properly, we not only save ourselves from the future troubles, but also pave the way for a smoother and more fulfilling journey ahead. This principle applies not only to torn clothing, but also to various aspects of our lives, be it personal, academic, or professional. Procrastination often leads to unnecessary stress and difficulties down the road. By taking timely action at the right time, we can mitigate our potential challenges and ensure smoother sailing in the future. Yesterday is the past, tomorrow is the future. But today is a gift, that's why it is called present. Allow me to emphasize the significance of this proverb to another quote. This time from Abraham Lincoln, who famously stated, "You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today." These words highlight the inevitability of facing the consequences of our actions or inactions sooner or later. Therefore, it's wiser to address issues promptly rather than to postpone them and risk exacerbating the situation. Furthermore, applying the principle of a stitch in time saves nine fosters a proactive mindset and cultivates habit of diligence, responsibility, and foresight. It encourages us to be mindful of potential problems and to tackle them head on before they spiral out of control. Let us remember the timeless wisdom encapsulated in the proverb, "A stitch in time saves nine." By taking timely action and addressing issues properly, we not only save ourselves from the future troubles, but also pave the way for a smoother and more fulfilling journey ahead. As we navigate through life, may we always strive to stitch up our proverbial tears before they become irreparable dents. Thank you and have a nice day.